Hi everybody. It's been a very long time since I've posted any new YouTube videos, but it's the summertime now, so I've got all sorts of Lepidoptera-based projects going on here. And today I'm going to be showing you the first Saturnida species that I've successfully bred, because I've just sort of started out with stuff. So we've got Callosamia-Promethea here today with us. Here are the mature caterpillars. Now this batch in these two containers came from a female that I found as a cocoon, and that hatched, and that called in a wild male and bred. And the eggs were laid in May, so it's July right now. So they've been around for a while. And then in here, you can see these are about second instar. These came from a female that hatched later. This female that laid these eggs, they're caterpillars now, laid a ton and paired twice, but they had a high mortality rate with that, so it's not very good. But if we look in here, you can see the mature caterpillars. These are pretty much, here, I'll get this out here. Fourth, I think fifth instar actually. These are pretty much fully grown. They get about like 5 centimeters. They've got the 4 little waxy red horns in the front, and then yellow in the front. If you actually look at the abdomen there, it looks like a smiley face. It's pretty funny. Got this cool blue, and they've got this cool green head capsule. Get my camera to focus. I'm currently feeding them on liquid amber, sweet gum, but they also can feed on spice bush. That's another big one. Button bush. I'm sure a number of others. There's a whole bunch of them. Very cool. Now, as younger instars, they're highly gregarious. They all like to sort of, hang out on a leaf. And they sort of maintain this yellow striped sort of pattern you can see in here for a while, up into second instar, and then third instar. They sort of look something like this. They're not quite like it. And they've got yellow bumps up in the front. And then if we look at the ones in here, these guys hatched much later, and therefore much smaller. So if you can see in here, these guys are much smaller. I actually pooped on the carpet right there, which isn't very... This guy actually shed his skin today, this particular individual. They're quite an easy species to rear, as long as you have access to food plant. They grow quite quickly. They will pupate in the cocoon. The males are smaller and black, and the females are larger and brown. If you live in the States, like I do, then if you want to try and get a pairing, set the female outside at around 4 in the afternoon. Anywhere as 4 to 8 o'clock, because the females are nocturnal and the males are diurnal, so they breed in the evening when both of them are active. And then, it's pretty easy to get eggs from there. Fast growing, super cool species, like little tubs of goo. I'd like to try and completely document the life cycle, but because I didn't film a whole lot of the earlier stuff, I'll have to wait until next year. But hopefully all of these guys become nice healthy moths. It's a really cool species with really cool caterpillars. Until next time then, guys. Should have some new stuff. Got some other projects going on. And I still have some stuff that is still in their pupas. Hopefully they emerge soon. Get some nice footage here of this guy just walking on this branch. Yeah, so Callosamia, Promethea moth. If I'm correct, there are only 3 members in the genus, at least in North America. And as caterpillars, pretty much all of them look the same, but they're still very cool caterpillars.